皆さんこんにちは。環境と人レポーターの久米です。今年10月に香港で開催されたエコエキスポアジア2023。13の国と地域から300を超える出展者が集まり、カーボンニュートラル、水素エネルギー、グリーン輸送、サーキュラーエコノミー、ESG などに関する展示やセッションが行われました。今回は香港政府が2050年までのカーボンニュートラル達成のための重要戦略の一つとして掲げている廃棄物削減について紹介していきます。今日の香港では家庭で発生する一般廃棄物を分別収集したりリサイクルする仕組みが整備されていません。多くが埋め立て処理をしており、今後の廃棄物への対応は大きな課題となっています。そこで香港パビリオンではそれらの課題を解決するソリューションが紹介されていました。こちらは大学や公共施設にすでに導入され始めているゴミの分別を促すゴミ箱です。質量に応じてポイントを貯めることができ、ポイントを貯めると商品をもらえるという仕組みです。生ゴミ用のゴミ箱もあります。次に企業から排出される廃棄物をエネルギーに変える技術を開発している企業を紹介します。
Hello, I'm Zhu Chao. I'm the founder and CEO of AEL International Holding. We are a green technology startup. Our company focuses food waste to energy. We have over 10 years experience working with the government institute to doing research. And by now, we have got a very compact technology that can recycle food waste into energy. And our solution could be used in places like shopping mall, hotel, university, and food factories. This is our new product, a mobile solution that could be used in places like concerts and food and wine festivals. Actually, liquefy the food waste. It's easy to separate like a knife, a fork, chopsticks. And then our second part would actually separate the oil that could be converted into biodiesel. And the soluble part can extract the protein that can be used as animal feed. And the soluble portion can go through fermentation and produce biogas. So nothing is wasted. Our process do not produce any wastewater. We can reuse the water and we do not produce any emission. In Hong Kong, the government is going to launch a food waste charging next April. So from next April, everyone will need to buy a plastic bag from the government. I believe it's similar to Japan to throw away the waste. I believe that will create a lot of incentive to do source separation of waste and also recycling. In fact, in Hong Kong, every day we eat a lot and we produce a lot of food waste. Food waste is the biggest portion in terms of the municipal solid waste. It's over 30%, and each day we produce 3,600 tons of food waste. At this moment, we are throwing most of the food waste into landfill, but I believe that from next year, there will be a lot of difference. There will be a lot of encouragement to sort separate the food waste, and the government is also working very hard to promote food waste recycling.
次に、メタルの採掘で排出される汚染水の分解技術を開発するフィンランドの企業です。
Alright, hello. My name is Jari Vepsälän and I'm the chairman of EPSE APAC, which is running the business here in Asia and Central Asia. So we are handling hazardous industrial waste by the Finland new technologies, which is using chemicals to destroy the, let's say, the harmful particles in the waste water, neutralizing water and making it safe to people. So that is the Finland technology, EPSE. And we have also something very special for Japan, which is for radioactive water, tritium.
We have wastewater from industry that contains soluble metals. And then typically the pH target is somewhere around 3, low pH. We start from low pH. Typically, the industrial wastewaters are already in low pH, so we don't necessarily have to do anything about it. Then we dose the EPSE chemical, which is our specific treatment chemical, and then we start to raise the pH, and that's basically the chemical reaction that is done there. So results are metal-free overflow, which is clean water without any metals. And then what is left is the precipitate, which is multi-metal precipitate, including all the metals from the wastewater. So the metal-free water can be reused in the processes in industry, which is very important nowadays. With sustainability goals and everything, we want to reuse as much as the water as possible, so we can reduce the amount of virgin raw materials. Depending on the concentrations of metals in the original wastewater, it may be very lucrative idea to recycle the metals. For example, copper. If there's a high concentration of copper in the wastewater, we remove it from the wastewater and we take it back to smeltery. So we have the ability to reuse the metals. So that's basically our EPSE process.
Thank you.